Step that you need to take is you open your airdrop, then make sure that what is active is the tab which is in the bottom left corner. Then what you do is you click where it says gift card. There is somewhere on top there where there's giveaway, and you click gift card.
I'm very sorry. I didn't know that.
Then from here, okay, so now you click use gift card.
Hello, Cheyenne. Where are you?
Did you see where I clicked? There's somewhere where it says gift card, the refresh. Now just right below that is a command word use gift card. Click it.
It's fine.
Then paste that code.
Hi.
Yeah. What are you doing here?
And confirm.
I saw you're working late, and you